Well, with more vaccines being administered and case counts dropping, schools are starting to have more students return to the classroom.
We do have team coverage tonight as 2 districts in Idaho announce new plans to open their classrooms. But first, let's start with KHQ's Corey Howard. And Corey, staff members with the Spokane Public School District are starting to receive their vaccine.
It's test time at Shadle Park High School. If a car arrives in a parking lot at 10 a.m., dials a number, and is greeted by one school nurse, Jennifer Smelser, to administer one rapid COVID test to one student,
it doesn't hurt. It's just like a Q-tip.
How much will it cost the parents? The answer, Nurse Smelser?
It's free.
It's free! Spokane Public Schools kicked off free rapid COVID testing sites for staff, students, and families this month in hopes of bringing quicker clarification as to what a student might be dealing with and in turn what the district might be dealing with.
I think the hardest part of my job this year has been having students be able to come back to school and then they get a little cough or sniffles and we have to send them home.
Send them home, not to return until they get a negative test or a doctor's note, or wait at home in quarantine for 10 days.
That's a burden that we don't like putting on families.
So rather than waiting it out with more kids slowly heading back to the classroom, the goal is for rapid testing sites like these to give parents one more resource to lean on while their kids continue to adjust to learning during a pandemic.
It's hard to figure out where to get tested. Not everybody has insurance and not everybody has a primary healthcare provider, so this is a simple, easy way, and as long as the test comes back negative, the kid can get back in school, which is what we want.
The rollout of the testing sites has been a little slow, with only 7 to 8 people a day coming through the newest site at Shadle Park, which opened up earlier this week.
Ideally, we could do a lot more.
But appointments can be made at SpokaneSchools.org in the Student Health Check section, and it's as simple as driving up.
We're going to take this Q-tip, we're going to rub it on the inside of your cheek.
A little tickle.
It's weird. Awesome!
And just like that, the test is over and the waiting begins. And you don't have to wait long for the results. They come back in about 2 to 3 days. And again, this is free to students, staff, and families of Spokane Public Schools. Right now they have 2 locations, one at Chase Middle School, one at Shadle Park High School. But next week they're planning to open up 2 more, one at Linwood and one at Grant. Reporting in downtown Spokane tonight, I'm Corey Howard. Dan, Steph, back to you.
Corey, thank you. Now tonight at 6:30.